Alright guys, so this is in a couple rooms away, and we didn't even turn up the bass and stuff yet, so we're gonna play with it now. Hey guys, welcome back. So you get two microphones, you have your on and off, and then these are some accessories. You get a remote control, you get batteries, you get a power supply, and also a manual. So this is it. Now, alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So guys, this is professional. This is really nice. What I like about this, it has a handle, and what you do is you press in, lift it up. Alright guys, check this out. It's got wheels on the bottom that allow for easy free flow movement. Let's go ahead and tilt it over and show you guys. This is seriously professional to the top line. The quality is top notch. Check this out, guys. You got LEDs, you got your power on and off. Again, it is wireless, so you charge it and you can charge it up. You don't have to have it plugged in. You have all of these different settings. So you got treble, bass, echo, reverb, M treble, bass for M volume, GT volume. You have your cable ports, guitar, AUX out, AUX in, USB, TF card slot, mic input. You have all these modes. You have a master volume for turning it up. Guys, overall, this is so professional. You got handles for carrying it on the side. This is seriously going to be amazing for parties. We're going to have so much fun. All right, guys, check this out. This is with the LED light on. Now, the LED light can easily be seen in the daytime and, of course, especially at nighttime. So, very, very cool. So far, I'm extremely impressed with this unit. This is the tripod. So, very heavy-duty tripod for it as well. We're now going to connect to Bluetooth and test that out. Alright guys, some copyright-free music by NFX. We're going to go in the back here and play with some settings. So, all these settings.
I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me.
So you guys can hear, we're in another room now. Now we're going to...
mentally and physically.
Alright guys, we're gonna max out the bass now.
Don't repeat history, and people only admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey. Not giving in, I will not let it win. I won't stop till the end. No. Just go leave it be. I know this journey. I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning. All this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay. I just wanna be something. I don't want to stand. I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet. But those words they'll regret, 'cause I've got something left, and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end. No.
Guys, needless to say, I love this. This is the best speaker I have ever reviewed by far. And it's not connected to wired.
I don't believe in destiny.
Oh man, bass is phenomenal.
Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me.
Fire, man, that is fire.
You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just...
Guys, I'm telling you, that is fire. This is the best speaker. And by the way, we've been playing this for now 15 minutes, and we have not, it's not connected to wired. So this whole thing's wireless. So right now, pull it, go. It's not wired. It's pretty freaking awesome, guys. Just to prove it, here we go. We're connected to Bluetooth, but
Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, it ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I what they say. I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing.